Hello everyone, welcome to another Disney Plus tutorial video. Now in this video, I will show you how to change audio language in Disney Plus in mobile. Yes, you can actually do that via mobile as well. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, what you need to do is launch the Disney Plus app or go to the Disney Plus website. For this instance of the video, we will do it on the app. So tap your profile in the bottom right corner of your screen on mobile, or click your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen on desktop. Go to edit profiles, and here you can choose the profile you want to change. Then all you have to do is select app language right here, as you can see. So just select the profile, go to the right here, as you can see, and go to the app language, and here you can actually change the app language of the Disney Plus on mobile. Now you can also change the audio language as well. By launching Disney Plus app, you need to select the show or movie you want to watch, click taps the screen and select the audio and subtitle settings button. Now this is done on your mobile phone as well. It's the speech bubble icon in the top right corner. Under the audio, choose the language you want to hear, and then just select X in the top right corner once you're done and once you want to exit. So these two are basically ways how you can go and change your language, either an audio language, or if you want to just change the entire language of the app, you can do it through the app or through the desktop version of Disney Plus. So if you have any other questions or you want to change any other things with Disney Plus, we are recording 5 different tutorials about Disney Plus. So if you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.